Hello everyone, I am Brix M. Panuan. I'm gonna demonstrate how media change our generation. Media change how we interact. It has increase of connectivity and the speed of communication, allowing for global interactions. But it has led to a decline in face-to-face communication, potential misunderstanding, and the spread of misinformation. Here's two scenarios and the proof that media changed our generation.
Dong, panilig dong, kayog aking sag. Briggs, panilig. Briggs. Panilig dayon, bunalan ti karon. Mo na siniligan nimo, baon ko na cellphone ron. Ta. Kaya karon pa mo kita ni may. Mag karon pa kanilaag. Ay. Wala na chat ako nito. 20.